Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 线 step by step. First, I will write it in standard script, then following one word and one sentence. Let's write 线 means to appear. Present. Now. 现在 now. Current. Please unfasten your safety belt now. Please unfasten your safety belt now. 现在，请解开安全带。现在，请解开安全带。Now， 请 please 解开安全带。现在，请解开安全带。Please unfasten your safety belt now. 线 in cursive. 线 to appear. Present now. 现在 now. Current. Please unfasten your safety belt now. 现在，请解开安全带。Please comment any words or sentence with Chinese character 线. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.